price of success is hard work, dedication, and determination. All we need is courage to continue and the inspiration to move forward. And the best way to predict our future is to create it. It is always a great pride and honor to be given the task of introducing a person who is not only worthy of ambition, but his name echoes the essence of service, dedication, and compassion. This day will be noted as to be one of the wonderful moments to grace us all with his presence, to share to us his story, and to inspire us to work hard to achieve our dreams, no matter how difficult the road may be. Our guest of honor is not strange to us. He is a native of Barangay Centro, Amulong, Cagayan. He was born on May 12, 1983. He belonged to the prestigious family of lawyers. He was the sixth child of Francisco Sabater Donato, a retired regional trial court judge, and Minerva Reyes Banyares, a pharmacist. He is happily married to Rochelle Trincera Donato and blessed with two children, Shara Therese Donato and Anthony Francisco Donato. Being a father of two equally gifted children is a glory he always kept. Undoubtedly, he is a loving husband and a praiseworthy man. He graduated his elementary education at Amulong East Central School in the year 1995. He finished his secondary education at Ernesto Rondon High School in the year 1999. He obtained his college education with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Legal Management at Far Eastern University in the year 2003. He concluded his intellectual advancement and continued his graduate studies at Manuel L. Quezon University School of Law as Juris Doctor and graduated in the year 2009. He started his career as an Administrative Aide 1 at Provincial Government of Cagayan from 2010 to 2012. He had an impressive background and a working experience. Stepping in the fields of politics, truly political blood runs through his veins. Due to his desire to render service to his co-barangay at Centro, he entered the field of politics, and his first try was a success. He won as first barangay kagawad, and he served for 5 years from 2013 to 2018. After his term as barangay kagawad, he decided to run for a higher position as barangay captain so that he could serve better his co-barangay, and luckily he won. He rendered his services for 4 years from 2018 to 2022. His experiences in serving the barangay paved the way for his desire to serve more people in his beloved town, Amulong. His municipal campaign led to his election victory as Sangguniang Bayan member in the year 2022. Known with his tagline, "Kay Big Daddy, Barangay ang Bida." Through his passion in serving the people, thus, he will continue to serve and tirelessly look for ways to lend a helping hand to all Amulongeños. Our guest of honor has engaged to many programs, especially for the school children and for the youth. To name all his existing projects, Project Quaderno, school supplies were given to all daycare pupils of Amulong. Project Panulat, ballpens and pencils were given to all pupils from kinder to grade 6 in all elementary schools of Amulong. Magbola ang Magdroga program. This program focused on how important sport is and how it will help the youth to avoid vices. Weighing scales in all barangay and schools. This weighing scale will help the teachers to assess the health status of their learners. BP in all barangay. This focuses on the importance of regularly checking of blood pressure, give us the chance to keep our heart and brain in good shape. Our guest of honor has also involved into many committees. He is the chairman of the following programs: Committee on Social Services and Civic Action, Committee on Livelihood, Committee on Health, Sanitation, and Population, Committee on Women, Children, Senior Citizens, Family, and Cultural Minorities, Vice Chairman to Committee on Finance and Appropriation, Committee on Education and Culture, Member of the Committee on Good Governance, Ethics and Public Accountability, Committee on Public Works and Infrastructure. His achievements are truly commendable as they mirror his great sense of commitment, hard work, passion, and dedication to public service. A man of his wisdom, caring, and unconquerable principle. Please join me in welcoming our esteemed guest of honor, a true leader and advocate for positive change, and most of all, a man with a big heart, our Big Daddy, Honorable Sangguniang Bayan, Marcian Francisco Banyares Donato III.